Have you ever wanted to monitor your MASSO CNC controller from anywhere in the world? Now you can with the MASSO myWorkshop app, available for iPhone, iPad, Android devices, and tablets. As long as you have an internet connection, you can check your machine status, receive alarms, and get custom messages. The myWorkshop app displays your project's progress and machine status with color-coded indicators: green for machining, orange for idle, red for alarms, and gray for offline. You'll receive instant notifications for any alarms and custom messages via new G-Code commands. You can even get updates on your smartwatch. The app also shows machine progress, parts made, machining time, and the current file being processed. There's a reset parts counter for production tracking, and a notification option that works even when the app is inactive. Setup is easy. Connect your MASSO to Wi-Fi, enter your Wi-Fi SSID, then your password, press connect, and you're good to go. MASSO will connect to your local network and sync with the myWorkshop app. If you want to use the fixed IP address, ensure you enter a valid IP address, subnet mask, and gateway address for your network. MASSO will then connect to the network and then to myWorkshop. Download the myWorkshop app from Google Play or the Apple App Store. Log in using your myWorkshop email and password and start monitoring your MASSO from anywhere. Give it a try today and see how it enhances your workflow. The first screen you'll see in the myWorkshop app is the Devices page, showing all your MASSO controllers in real time. You can filter machines by type using the tabs at the top: All, Idle, In Alarm, Currently Machining, or Offline. To view a machine in detail, tap it for a full screen view. The bell icon controls notifications, allowing alerts even when the app isn't active. Ensure permissions are enabled for notifications. Messages can be read directly from notifications or accessed through the message button at the bottom, which shows all messages from your machines. You can mark messages as read individually or clear them all. The envelope icon displays messages for the current controller only, and the bottom right button leads to account settings, where you can update your profile, change your password, or log out. From the myWorkshop dashboard on your PC, you can view the status of all your MASSO controllers just like in the app. Ensure PC notifications are enabled to receive alerts. You can also upload custom images for your machines via the settings icon, which will appear in both the dashboard and the app. New message G-Code commands allow more targeted communication. The standard MSG and MSG_S sends messages to the MASSO screen. MSG_W sends a message to the myWorkshop dashboard and to the myWorkshop app, but not to the MASSO screen. And MSG_SW sends to the MASSO screen and myWorkshop dashboard and myWorkshop app. This flexibility helps tailor messages for different roles, like sending stock placement reminders to the machinist on the MASSO screen, but sending production updates to a supervisor's phone. So why would you want to have messages sent to different places? Imagine you have a production job. Depending on your role in the production team, you may want to see different messages. As the machinist, you may want to see custom messages on the MASSO screen reminding you to carry out actions like checking the stock placement on the table before starting, but you don't need to see that on your phone. If you're looking after multiple machines in the factory, then you may want to have messages sent to yourself. For example, 5 minutes before the end of machining, it can send a message to advise that in 5 minutes' time, you'll need to be ready to change stock for the next production run on a particular machine. This means you don't need to sit in front of the machine and can use your time more efficiently. Of course, no matter who you are in the production team, you want to be alerted of any problems, such as alarms, or even when a manual tool change is needed. And these are automatically sent to the MASSO screen and myWorkshop app so that necessary action can be taken. Try the myWorkshop app today and streamline your MASSO operations.